Looking to level up your cooking skills? We've got you. Welcome to Sauce Skills, where today you'll be learning how to make salsa macha.
Salsa Macha is shake it off.
Deep breath.
Salsa Macha is an infused oil salsa, traditionally made with ingredients like chile de árbol, garlic, and peanuts, sometimes sesame seeds too. I'm Milagros, and today we are going to be making salsa macha chicken and rice bowls with fajita veggies and crema. I'm going to show you step by step how to make 2 servings of salsa macha. It completely elevates your dish. And the best part is it only takes 5 minutes. So we are going to take 2 tablespoons of oil, add that into our pan over medium-low heat, 2 teaspoons of fajita spice blend, and thinly sliced garlic. So you're going to want to stir this together for about a minute or 2 until the garlic gets nice and toasty and you smell all of the spices. I'm going to transfer this to a bowl. Add in some sugar, mix this up. I quickly wiped out my pan, and now we're gonna start with a tablespoon of oil, our chopped peanuts. I'm gonna toast those for a minute or 2 until it's lightly browned and fragrant. Go in with some vinegar. We're just gonna cook this down for about 30 seconds. This adds some acidity and some subtle sweetness. Okay, and then we're gonna put this in the bowl with our infused garlic oil. Add in some sesame seeds because we want a little more nuttiness. A pinch of salt. Mix, mix, mix. And we're finished cooking. How easy was that? Before we portion our rice, we are gonna fluff it with a fork to separate the grains. Take our thinly sliced chicken and plate it on the side of the rice, but still have some peeking out. Drizzle our crema over top of our fajita veggies and chicken. Look at that. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our salsa macha right over the chicken. Finish with some cilantro. And just like that, you've taken your dish to the next level. Now let's try it. I'm so excited. So good.